Encourage them to send you a text message. I assure you, this method is remarkably swift. Greetings, dear friends. Welcome back to yet another video. I'm Emily, and I appreciate you dropping by to co-create with me today. In this recording, my aim is to divulge to you the swiftest approach for eliciting a text message from someone, harnessing the power of the law of attraction. If there's a specific person you're eager to communicate with via text, then this presentation is tailored for you. Irrespective of the person or the circumstances, rest assured, this method is efficacious and expeditious. All right, are you prepared for employing this method to prompt them to send you a text? It's crucial to grasp this concept fully before proceeding. A text message embodies energy, doesn't it? It carries a vibration. In essence, everything constitutes energy. Thus, a mere text message embodies vibration. When our vibration aligns with receiving a text from a specific person, we inevitably receive that very message from them. Like energy attracts like energy. Therefore, if we resonate with the energy of anticipating the desired text from that specific person, it will manifest. It's all about vibration. So, I hope this explanation dispels any lingering doubts about the feasibility of this approach. Indeed, it's entirely feasible when we synchronize our frequency with the expectation of receiving the desired message from that specific person. Now, how do we align ourselves with the state of receiving the message swiftly? How can we expedite the process? Well, the initial step is to minimize resistance as much as possible. We must clear any interference or resistance within our vibration. Once we achieve this state of calmness, we can then begin to tune into the vibrational frequency that attracts the desired text message. Therefore, it's crucial to cultivate a tranquil mindset. Personally, I find that practicing simple breathing exercises is highly effective in achieving this. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth, focusing solely on the sensation of air flowing in and out. It's essential to concentrate solely on this sensation, blocking out any distractions. By directing our focus towards one singular aspect, we alleviate resistance, promote inner calmness, and feel more at ease. If you'd like to join me in this exercise right now, we can begin. Let's now take 3 deep breaths, inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the mouth. Inhale, exhale, and another deep breath in. Followed by a slow exhale. Now, how do you feel after those 3 breaths? Quite relaxed, I presume. I'm already experiencing a sense of calmness. If you feel inclined, you can continue with more breaths. However, for the purpose of this video, let's stick to 3, considering our time constraints. Whether you choose to take 10 breaths or even 20, remember the more relaxed you become, the more effective this method will be. So take a moment now to ensure you're feeling quite content and relaxed. Now it's time to fetch your phone and pay close attention because this step is crucial. I want you to visualize the person from whom you wish to receive the message. Picture them in your mind's eye at this very moment. You don't necessarily have to close your eyes. Just conjure their image in your thoughts. Now, take your phone and with your finger, I want you to write their name on the back of your phone. Right now, just like this. Let their name flow from your finger while you hold their image in your mind. All right, now I'd like you to close your eyes while holding your phone in both hands. It's more effective if you cradle it this way, feeling its presence. Now, I want you to immerse yourself in the sensation of receiving that text message at this very moment. Visualize your phone vibrating with that familiar buzz, the sound of the notification chiming. How does it feel? It feels invigorating, doesn't it? It's a rush of joy, the realization that you've manifested your desire. The message has arrived, and it's everything you've been waiting for. Yes, embrace those emotions, amplify them. Lift your phone and witness that it's indeed from the person you've been focusing on. How does that make you feel in this moment? It's happening now, the message you've longed for, and it's filled with positivity, exactly what you needed to hear. Finally, yes, you feel absolutely fantastic, triumphant even. You've done it. You've manifested that elusive text message, and now everything is just perfect. Now take a moment to explore those feelings a bit further. Once you feel satisfied, you can gently open your eyes. You glance at your phone, acknowledging its presence. However, you're going to set it aside without checking your messages or getting caught up in other distractions. This step is crucial. It's about letting go, moving forward. We've already taken the necessary steps, calming our minds, visualizing the desired outcome, and sending our intentions out into the universe. Now, it's imperative that we resist the temptation to constantly check for a response. Engaging in such behavior would only undermine our efforts, introducing resistance into the equation. We need to maintain the calmness of our minds and remain attuned to the frequency of receiving the text. There's no need to allow anything to disrupt this state. So set the phone aside and focus on the next task at hand. What were you planning to do next? Simply proceed with that without worrying about the phone. Just carry on with your day. At some point, whether it's in 10 minutes or an hour from now, you'll sense an inspiration to glance at your phone. When that moment arrives, that's your cue to check your messages. Remember, this feeling of inspiration signifies inspired action. It's the right time to check. If you're feeling nervous or anxious, that's not the sign you're waiting for. Instead, it's a sense of certainty, a feeling that it's time to look. Trust that this moment will present itself. Continue with your day as usual, maintaining that sense of detachment. I assure you, when you receive that inspired signal prompting you to check your phone, the message you've been anticipating will be waiting for you. After giving this technique a try and witnessing its effectiveness, be sure to return to this video and share your results in the comments below. We're eager to hear about the outcomes you've experienced. In the meantime, feel free to explore some of our other videos designed to assist you on your manifestation journey.